just thought I'd brighten up y'all day a little quick. Just go ahead. Just put on some green light bright so you can remember me, okay?
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested, or I'm not listening, or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here, I just came to
But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. We are now at 70 subscribers. We're at 70. I've only had this channel ever since October, so that means I'm pulling in like 20 of y'all every month. This is freaking amazing. I promise once we get to 100 subscribers, I'm doing another giveaway. So just go ahead and keep on hitting that bottom button below. Thank you so much for supporting me thus far. But let me just go ahead and tell y'all what this video is going to be about today. So I've did a poll on my Instagram. Also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at TheRedLipGoddess so that you can stay in tune and engage with me as to what exactly I'll be uploading to my page. Today's video is going to be on a glossy eye tutorial. I did a poll on my Instagram and asked whether you wanted a Valentine's Day look or if you wanted a glossy eye tutorial. And of course, everyone has asked how did I achieve this glossy eye look that I did before. I'll post a picture of it if I can. Yeah, I'll post it. But anyway, you should have seen it in the intro, but I'll post it again. But we can go ahead and just jump right into this video with it. I'm going to go ahead, as you can see, my face is already done. I am going to be using my Morphe palette. This is the Morphe 350 palette. This is one of my favorite palettes ever. This is one of my favorite faves. So I'm going to take my... Where did my brush go? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe M576. My Morphe M576. M576. My Morphe M576 brush. And this is what it looks like. And also here's what it looks like at the head. And I'm just going to go ahead and take this color right here. If you can see that. And I'm just going to go into my crease. Just like that. Just so that you can add some definition to your eye. Mind you, my eyes have already been prepped, you guys. I'm going to take that same brush. And I'm just going to go into the crease. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm just adding some definition. When I say that this is like the easiest look that you can possibly do, like I'm not even kidding. It's super easy. Yeah, that's just to add some definition. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe E28 brush. This is another blending brush. Please invest in these brushes. They're the truth, okay? They the truth. I'm going to go in with a brown, and it's right here. It looks kind of like a dusty gray on camera, but we're not going to use a whole lot of that, okay? We're just going to take just a little bit. A little goes a long way, just to add some more definition into that crease area. See how it like just kind of added just like some little smoke to it? Yeah, just like that. But now I'm going to go ahead and take my NK Makeup Lip Gel. It's a gloss. I'm using a real gloss on my eyes. And I'm just going to take a little bit and put it on the back of my hand. That's enough. Literally. And if you need to see it again, this is what it looks like. And it's from the beauty supply store. It's literally beauty supply store lip gloss. And I'm just going to take one of these brushes that I used to use on, like, I ordered it from off of Amazon. It looks like a concealer brush. And I'm going to take that gloss from off the back of my hand and Literally lay it in the crease. And take your time with the gloss, like adding more gloss, because you have to remember it is a gloss. It's not like concealer or it gets runny and sticky. This is more of like a summer girl look, but I'm going to go ahead and change my lip color and then I'll be right back. You can say this is like one of those liquid matte lipsticks. This is in the color Beauty Mark. This is really cute. Like, I love this lip color. This the look or whatever. She glossed up. I'm bossed up. Goddess gang rocking with me. Yeah, we beat up. I don't know. I just wanted to say like something cute, but I couldn't. I'm not a rapper. Anyway, guys, if you like this look on my channel, be sure to come back. Let me know what you want to see, girl. Get into, girl. Just let me know. Just talk to me. Bye.